Hi, I hope that you will be fine. Today's video will be very helpful for you because in this video I will talk what is the real time of intercourse. Mostly question is asked. Before watching the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. I have seen a lot more people, but they are telling a lie. That some people are saying to me that we are 15 minutes, half hour, etc., etc., etc. But they are totally wrong. Somebody say that I am time of 5 minutes. Also they are in the wrong form. But it depends upon you. Most people said that our size of penis is very little, and some people are having that my penis is not in well form. We are disturbance regarding to penis, but lack of knowledge, they have used much more medicines that are not fit for you. Most people are using to boost the power of medicines, to boost the power of man, but they don't know what is the reality behind this. They listen by friends or other people, and also a lot more videos have uploaded by people on YouTube, and also many people are giving you recommendation to use these medicines, and also some people are giving you such medicine that are herbal, and some people are recommend to use such medicine that make thick semen. So there is no issue. Some people think that the thickness of the semen is involved, that at that position your time will be increased, and some people acknowledge that if you have thin semen, that means your time will be loose. So there is no issues. Other factors that are intellectual issues, that we can say that are psychological issues. Mostly people having impotency or other symptoms regarding these issues. They are fit, but psychologically they are not fit because lack of knowledge where from they are taking knowledge. So mostly fake knowledge in the societies, different and various societies, they have taken from friends and others. Social pressure also working to make interruption in your mind. But what is the reality behind this? So in this video I will tell you that what is the reality behind this. So if you have 1, 2 or 3 minutes, that means also you are fine. You don't need to take boost your power because it's the reality. If you understand the reality behind this, what is the real reality behind this? You can see animals. It is the best example for yourself. It is the best example for you. So watch and try to think that what is the real time of animals, because they follow up the natural. When you don't follow up the natural ways, that means you are going to disorder of your body. If you want to be helpful in your future life or your life, that means in this form you don't need to take more medicines. I have told much more time of my videos, never use more medicines. I have repeated this sentence again and again and again for your information. Please try to understand. If you don't understand me, you have to face a lot more issues, but your real issues that you are having 1, 2 or 3 or half minute, you have to face all over the time. And also you will be used on daily basis, on monthly basis, on annual basis. Will take more medicines, but your problems, your issue will not be solved because you are in the wrong form and you are not follow up the natural ways. So try to understand what is the natural way. If you have different people are having different temperament, that means due to the environment, due to the using of medicines, due to the psychological issues, due to the families, due to the working that you are done. Most people are having a done work that are physical work, and mostly people are mentally work. So also it is the difference between mentally work and physical work, and also it depends upon your physical work and mentally work. So I have seen a lot more people that are physical work. Mostly you can see in labor people that are working in physical form. Also they are very fit because they are physically fit, and also they don't need to take more medicines, but they are mind worker, they are having intellectual work, they mostly are having problem. In citizen areas, they are using medicines, and also many quick invites you by giving us such publicity that we will be, after using our medicines, you will be region. So that's all the totally fake, because but some people understand that that is the fake knowledge. It is a not reality that after using 24 hours you will be fine and fit. So also I at that time realized that what is the reality and why they are invites the people, because people are in mentally, and also due to the lack of knowledge they are using medicines and they have no knowledge about this, that what is the real time of intercourse. So that is the myth, that is the main issue that are people having. So never use any medicine to boost up your time, because if you want to be healthy in sexual form, only use natural food. But if you have any questions about this video, you can consult me. I hope that this video will be very helpful for you. If you have any question regarding to this video, you can ask me. And finally, thanks for watching.